It is quite the interesting sight for my Audi S4 to be doing that. Today I'm going to be doing a smoke leak detector test on my Audi S4 to see if a vacuum leak is causing the misfire and all the problems. So big thank you to my boy Jake for supplying the machine. This thing's like 200 bucks. It's really simple. You've got a power and ground wire right there. So I just hooked it up to my battery terminal. And then you also have this barb right here, which infuses the smoke. Now this unit is actually already filled up with oil, so that's perfect. We just got to plug it in and turn it on, and then I'll plug this into the intake. So I already unplugged the vacuum line from the intake. We're going to shove this barb in right there, and then that will pretty much put the smoke inside of the whole system. So why exactly are we doing this? Well, it's going to help me identify if there's a vacuum leak in any sort of certain location, because if there is one, smoke will rise out of it. So this includes locations underneath the supercharger that you can't see with your visible eye. It's very useful because there are tons of vacuum lines on this car.